Hello lovely people, what is up? Today we are solving Leetcode problem number 28. Find the index of the first occurrence in a string. So we are given two strings named needle and haystack. We have to return the index of the first occurrence of the string needle in haystack. So basically we have to find in which position needle, the given string needle, is in haystack, or we return -1 if needle is not in haystack. So if we take a look at the example, sad but sad, the needle is sad. We can see there are two places in which sad is present in the string haystack. So we have to return the index of the needle in haystack. So basically here we return 0 because the needle that is sad is starting from the 0th index in the haystack. Since there are two occurrences, we return the first occurrence of needle in haystack. To solve this question, we can check every possible starting point in haystack and compare the substring with needle. So how can we do this? We can initialize a starting index and then we can initialize another index like I is the starting index and m is the length of needle. We can use slicing technique like I plus m, where I plus m is the length of the needle. So let us take a look at how to code this particular algorithm. So first we initialize n equal to len of haystack and m is equal to len of needle. And then we initialize a for loop to start with the indexing of haystack. We do for I in range of n minus m plus 1. We do n minus m plus 1 to avoid the out of range index problems. We are not just taking the range of n, where n is the length of haystack, because we need at least m characters ahead of the current index to accommodate the needle. And then we code the slicing operation. So we initialize an if statement if haystack square brackets I colon I plus m equal to needle. So basically what this does is it takes m characters starting from index I. M is the length of needle, so that is what we require. And then we are comparing the indexes with what we need. That is, we are comparing every character that we are taking from the haystack to every character from the needle. And then so if it matches, we return the I, which is the starting index in haystack. So after trying all the possible I values, the code exits the loop, which means there is no needle in haystack, so we return -1. So as you can see, the code is running in the most optimal time complexity possible. So that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. See you in the next one. Bye guys.